Hey guys, welcome back to Unlimited Shades of Innovation. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to make sure you don't miss any update. So now let's get started. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a 3D flower template without a Cricut machine. One important thing to notice here is the outer part of the template. It's made with craft scissors to create the curves, whereas the inner part is left plain so that it will be easy for us to make the 3D flower. So here to create this template, I'm using two scissors. I'm using craft scissors to create the curves, and I'm using a normal scissors to create the inner part, which is just a plain design. This template will help you to make a perfect flower. So please do try and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. The flowers are done, so please do give it a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Unlimited Shades of Innovation. Do something creative every day. Take care. Bye-bye.